Okay, question number 8. A ladder is positioned on an icy frictionless ground. So there is no friction here. There is no friction at all here. Everywhere is no friction. Okay, friction is equal to 0. Okay. At an instant of release, it begins to slide. Okay, the moment there is no friction, it definitely has to come down like this over here. I am just taking this example. This is not the right answer or wrong answer. I am not telling you anything. Which diagram shows the direction of the force P, W, and R acting on the ladder. Okay, so now if you look at this, weight always acting downwards, okay, and it's acting in the middle, so that's fine. R is a reaction force. It should always act like this. There's no friction here, okay. And when you say this is a rough wall, see, it says it's against a rough wall, that there should be a friction here, but the frictional force is not shown. Why it should be upwards? Because the ladder is now coming downwards. It is sliding like this over here, so definitely there should be a frictional force over here, right? So now, as a result of it, now what are the forces we have? We have R here, W here, P here, and there's one more force here. Is this correct? No, this force is missing. So this is definitely incorrect. Now let us look at this. P is here, R is here, W is here. Okay, these two are correct. P is also here. See, if you have a P here and you have a frictional force here, the resultant of these two can act like this, which is seen here, right? So therefore, B should be your right answer. Let us look at the other two options also. See, look at this here. P is here, W is here, R is acting here. R cannot act here. Reason is because R is a normal force. It should act like this. If at all, if there was a frictional force acting like this, that means if the ladder is going upward like this, okay, then might be this was the case. But if there is no friction over here, so this is incorrect. And here, what does this mean? This means that if there was something like this was a rough ground and this was also rough, in that case, this could have been correct. But of course, this is a frictionless ground. So therefore, this is also incorrect. The right answer is only B. Right? It's B.